Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another one of my favorite subscription boxes. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. This is a seasonal box, so we don't get this every single month, but I get something to look forward to. So I'm excited to bust open this box. If you guys want to know what I got in my Walmart beauty box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, as always, before I get into my unboxings, I just like to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome all. My name is Aisha and I absolutely love makeup. I eat, sleep, breathe makeup every single day. I don't know what my life would be without makeup. I know it sounds kind of dramatic. I just love makeup. So that's why I do a lot of makeup subscription unboxings, because I love trying new things each and every day. So you're gonna see a lot of that on that channel. So if you don't like makeup, maybe I would just exit the video now, because you're gonna see a lot of that on here. I do lots of makeup hauls. I was supposed to do my Sephora haul collection, but I went to Sephora again like 2 days ago and bought more stuff. So lucky thing I didn't do my video yet, because now I have more stuff to show you guys that I bought. Sephora has an amazing sale going on right now. If you're a beauty insider, you get 20% off. So your girl cannot contain herself. Also, the Sephora collection is 30% off as well. So if you guys want some good deals for Christmas gifts, head on out to your local Sephora before the sale ends. I believe it ends on the 12th, so you guys still have time, which is Sunday. But we're not doing that right now. That's my next video. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. Right now, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Walmart beauty box. But before we get into it, I have one more request for you guys. If you guys don't mind, can you do your girl a solid and give this video a thumbs up? It will be greatly appreciated. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe whenever you watch my videos. Show your girl some love and support. And that's really about it. Let's get into the box. So this box retails for $6.98. It used to retail for only $5, which was amazing. But I think $6.98 is still a good deal for like what you get. Like I said, it's not a every single month type of box. It's a seasonal box, so you'll get one winter, spring, summer, and fall. I want to say this is a winter box because we're in winter right now, right guys? I'm excited to see what we got in here. So we're gonna bust open the box and see. So when you open the box, I can smell something really good in here. Don't know what it is, but something smells good. I have a Walmart beauty box card. I got some lovely tissue paper with the products that I received inside. So we're gonna dig in and see what I got. So I'm gonna tell you guys why I really like this box. I would say it's because you get a lot of good stuff in there. Like these are things, so these are not gonna be a lot of indie brand stuff for the most part, because these are stuff that you see in Walmart. Some subscription boxes that I'm subscribed to, I get the product and I'm like, I've never heard of this brand, but like, I'm sure you guys all shop at Walmart for the most part, so these are things that you can find mostly at your local drugstore. Usually things that in Walmart, in the beauty areas, things you find in the drugstore. So I found some really good deals from this Walmart beauty box where I went back and bought things. So, for example, first thing in my box is this Soap and Glory hand food. It's a non-sticky hydrating hand cream. True story. I literally just used this before I started filming. I already owned this already and it's amazing. But this looks like the baby version of this, and this is like the mommy version. So this is mine, and I absolutely love this. I keep it right here on my table before I film because my hands is always dry and your girl don't want to look ashy on camera. So I try to hydrate my skin beforehand. So this is so funny that I got the baby one of this. So I'll probably keep this in my car because I do love this. Like, I don't like lotions that your hand feels like slimy and greasy afterwards. This one, you put it on and you barely realize that you put any hand cream on. Let's see what this retails for. So it says the full size of this retails for $6.98. So this is not the full size though of this. It also shows you like what you could have got because there's different things you could get. I did notice that they have a survey now for the Walmart Beauty Box. I didn't used to have one, but I took the little survey, so hopefully I always get things that I want now. I think every subscription box should have a survey, so that way you're not getting stuff that's like wasteful. Because there's nothing like getting skincare for dry skin when my skin is oily and then it's a product that I can't use. I actually want to get things that I use, so I like that they have a survey. So loving my first thing because my hands is always dry. The next thing I got here looks amazing. It's from Covergirl. It's a Hyper Glow highlighter, and this shade actually looks like it'll be a beautiful shade for my skin tone. The color is called Rose Quartz, so I'm super excited for this bad boy right here. It looks beautiful. Definitely gonna use that. So far, I love the first two things I got. Now the box smelled really nice, so I think this is the culprit. I see like a little hole punctured. You probably won't be able to see on camera, but there's like a little hole right here. So I'm gonna throw this out because I don't know, like, I'm thinking like way too into it, and it's probably not the case, but I don't know if somebody poked it or anything, so I'm gonna have to throw this out. But it was it says Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Non-GMO Electrolyte Drink Mix in Strawberry. It says add to 16 ounce of water. So this is the product right here. Smells really good. Too bad I couldn't try it, but I mean, it's punctured right here. Let me see if some of it will come out in my hand. It's not really coming out, but I can see where it's punctured, and I don't know. I'm not gonna chance anything, but I got that. It says the full size is $8.98. The next thing I got is a hydrating mist toner. It has chamomile and rose. I love any type of toners. I love the smell of chamomile. So let's spray it and see. I definitely smell the rose. I don't smell the chamomile in here, but I like it. I like it. So far, 3 for 3. Actually, I'm sorry, no. This would have been 4 for 4. I would have liked to try this, but if it wasn't like kind of punctured, I would have used it. The next thing I got is a Gold Bond 7 moisturizers plus 3 vitamins. It is a daily body and face lotion. 24-hour hydration. So that's what I got. Let's see what that retails for. It says the full size of this retails for $4.97. The full retail value of this is $9.92. This is not a full size bottle. Alright, the next thing I got here is a Retinol Serum. So it feels like they just gave me one little ampule. This is from Neutrogena. And this is like, it says this is the actual size right here in the corner. Right there. And I could feel it, there's only one in here, which is so funny. But I guess one is better than nothing. I only paid, what, $6.98 for the box, so beggars can't be choosers for that price. And I got one more thing. I got it says Lottie London Brow Artist Pencil in Brown. So the color's right here. It looks like a dark brown, so I definitely can use this shade. This looks full size, and this retails for $6.98. So just for the simple fact that I got this, made it worth the whole box because this is $6.98. Oops, I just dropped it. There was other things I could have got. It looks like I could have got a NYX lip gloss. They had Twisted Curl product in here that I could have got. There was Covergirl Kohl eyeliner. There was some type of perfume. So there was other things that I could have received in this box. But I'm very happy with what I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 items for $6.98. I think that's amazing. Like I said, I used this already, so I'm super happy that I have the mini one now for my car, especially since, you know, the winter time is very cold. That's when my skin gets more dry. So I'm actually really happy. I mean, I don't think I've ever been disappointed with my Walmart beauty box. Like, this is one, that's why I say it's one of my favorite boxes. You can't go wrong. It's $6.98. I think this is great for someone who, let's say you're young, you don't have a lot of money, you don't have a lot to spare. This is only $6.98. It's very affordable, and you get to try everything. I got a hand product, I got a face toner, I got like a highlighter, you know, a retinol serum. Like, you get to try a lot of stuff for a low price. So I think this is a great box. I am here for this beauty box, and I was very happy. What did you guys think about my Walmart beauty box? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm finally gonna do my Sephora haul right after this. You guys know, if you're a subscriber on my channel, you already know I film 2 videos a day. Your girl likes to bang out the videos, and you know, beggars can't be choosers. If I had to film a video every day, it's just not gonna happen, because your girl's always tired when she comes home from work. So I'd rather do this like on a day off where I could just film and do 2 videos than you guys have to wait, you know, a couple of days for another video. So with that being said, stay tuned for my Sephora haul. Actually, I have some stuff that I bought from Ulta too. Oh my gosh, these bags are so heavy. The bags are heavy. And I bought 2 things from Ulta as well. So your girl was busy. As per usual, your girl's always up in the makeup stores. What do you guys think about my Stranger Things Christmas sweater? So I told you guys for the month of December I'm going to be wearing Christmas sweaters, just like in October I was wearing Halloween sweaters. I don't know if this is classified as a Christmas sweater because Stranger Things is not a Christmas movie, but it had the bulbs on it, so I'm going to pretend like it's a Christmas shirt. How many of my subscribers watch Stranger Things? If you guys have not watched Stranger Things, what are you waiting for? That show is amazing. Well, it's not a show, it's a series. I think season 4 is supposed to be coming out over the summer. Love Stranger Things. If you watch it, then you will know what I'm talking about. The first season was a little slow, like the first couple of episodes, like I think like the first 3, but then it really kicks off. Amazing. If you guys want something to watch on Netflix, watch Stranger Things and you guys won't be disappointed. Alrighty, and that's the end of my video. Let me stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching my video as per usual. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.